Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to download a recurring report. So the report can be a listing report or an order report, and you can set a frequency as well, like every week or every month, and you can just on an ongoing basis, so you'll have always the report downloaded automatically. So let's jump into the screen. I'm going to show you how to do that. Once you have logged in, you have to go to the reports and click on schedule. Okay, from here you can see schedule, and you can click on schedule a report, and you have to select the source. If you click source, either it's orders or marketing. So in this case, I just want a copy of orders on a monthly basis. Okay, and then type. So if you select type, it will show you all the options, but again, I want the full order details. Okay, paid or unpaid, the full details. And under additional details, you have to set the frequency. The frequency I'm going to select is on a monthly basis, and it will show you the runtime. I just want to change it to midnight, so it will cover the full day, so the report will be complete. And end date, it will automatically select an end date, but you can select no end date. That means it will keep on repeating. So that's how you select everything, and you can see the summary of order page columns. So all these details will be included in that Excel report. Okay, I have a different video as well if you want to watch it, how to download the order report. In that, you will have different options to select. Okay, so select all the options and click save. And that's it. So it says ongoing, end date ongoing, and you will get an automatic email with the report. Thanks a lot for watching.